Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. We just wrapped up the first full week of trading for 2026. So let's do a quick index check, see where we're at and where we might go from here. This one is the Dow futures on a daily time frame. And even though I have been targeting 50K ever since probably this day when we just kind of rocketed up, like 3 days in a row, nice green candles. Then we had that big old pullback and that kind of stalled the progress, went all the way down to this turning line. And now we're working our way ever so slowly because we only had 385 points on the day. You can see this is the range down here, but we're going to get there, especially since our average true range is over 500 points. So we are, within spitting distance of this 50K mark. So anyway, that's what I'm still targeting on that one. Let's take a look now at the Russell. This one is just rocking, met new all-time highs yet again today. Pretty solid on the range as well. We're at about, let's say 40-ish points on the ATR. So let's just go for 2,700. Why not? Amazing. As we've seen some of the rotation out of tech stocks, a lot of people are jumping into the small and the mid caps. So Russell 2000 is a great trader. I love it. Let's look at the NASDAQ. This one had a really solid Friday. You can see it did surpass its ATR. Thank goodness, because the whole rest of the week, we were a little bit on the short side there, but we couldn't even hit that high from a couple days ago. So it's still got some work to do. Next target up is going to be 26,125, followed by up here around 26,526, followed by these all-time highs around 26651. And we'll wrap it up with the S&P futures. Once again, a new all-time high. This is becoming a broken record where I keep saying this, but what a time to be a trader. And this one met its ATR almost to perfection. So speaking of the S&P, that is the one that Vicki Kelly focuses on in her morning method. You can see she chooses one market, that would be the S&P futures, one time frame, one setup, and one time of day. This is specifically to help you focus and simplify your trading. You don't need to be watching 46,000 different markets. You don't need to learn 46 different setups, and you don't need to try to trade all day because most of us have regular lives that we have other things to do. If you'd like to learn more about this and join her January 2026 cohort, it just recently opened. It is currently on sale where you will save $1,000 when you register by Monday night, but you're going to want to do that even before Monday night because her live trading room starts Monday morning, January 12th. That is in just a few days. So take a look at this webinar. All you'll need to do is enter your email address here, click watch the webinar, and that will take you over here. As I mentioned, the live trading room begins at January 12th. You'll just click the play button here to watch the webinar replay. Of special note, as I scroll down here, I just want to congratulate everyone who has taken her up on this offer and found some success. You're going to want to watch Douglas's video because he, perhaps similarly to you, took a while to find something that could help him be consistent. Well, thankfully, the morning method was it. And you can see that he is not the only one. Lots of people have had great success. I also want to mention this. Regularly, she does include the live trading room for 1 month with your purchase of the morning method course. But as a special New Year bonus, she's including both January and February. What that means is you're going to get basically 2.5 months, 7 weeks, let's call it, to be in the live trading room with Vicki, watching exactly what she does, hearing when she calls out the trades, and ideally being able to replicate that in your own accounts. Now, of course, there is no system on the planet that wins every time. But having heard some of the testimonials from her students and also just watching Vicki's progress herself, I can't recommend this any more highly. Have an awesome weekend. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.